let's take a look at a few more variations of questions associated with factoring cubes. So my first example, I have 8x cubed plus 64. So you want to use the template a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm going to look at my a cubed term is going to be 8x cubed. So this is a cubed, and my b cubed term is going to be 64, right? So a here is basically the cube root of 8x cubed, which is basically 2x, and in this case my b term is the cube root of 64, which is 4, and in this scenario I'm going to rewrite this as 2x cubed plus 4 cubed, and once I use the template I get 2x plus 4 times a squared, which is 2x squared, so that's 4x squared, minus ab, which is 4 times 2x, which is 8x, plus b squared plus 16. Okay, and if you wanted to, you can kind of simplify these factors a little bit more, because you can see that they have common multiples. So I'm going to factor this guy out as 2 times x plus 2. I'm going to factor this guy out. I'm going to factor out a 4 here times 4x squared minus 2x plus 4, and you can have the 4 and the 2. If you multiply these two together, you get 8 times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so that is the fully factored version. Let's take a look at example 2. So here we're going to be using the template a cubed minus b cubed, so it's a difference of cubes, and this template is going to be factored as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, you can notice here that our a cubed term is 125x cubed, and our b cubed term is 64. Okay, so in this case my cube root of 125x cubed is basically 5x, and my cube root of 64 here is 4. Okay, so I'm going to use this template now. When I use this template, I get a minus b, which is basically 5x minus 4, a squared, which is basically 5x, right? So this guy is our a value, this guy is our b value. A squared here is 5x squared, so 25x squared, plus ab, so plus ab is 5x times 4, so that's like 20x, plus b squared, which is basically plus 4 squared, so that's plus 16. Okay, and that is your expanded form. And it doesn't look like you can factor this any further, so this is our answer. And yeah, that's how you can factor out the sum or differences of cubes.